Due to the recent market crash and all of the stocks are crashing, XRP is also facing a huge crash, and we'll be seeing that the XRP price will crash from 50% from its recent value, and it's the greatest news that we are going to discover today. Popular cryptocurrency XRP may be facing a severe 50% crash from its recent price. While not set in stone, like everything in this market, at least such a possibility signals cross pattern that has formed on the price chart of XRP on a 2-day time frame. What happened in that 23-day moving average crossed the 50-day moving average above to below, forming a dead cross, a bearish pattern that is considered a grim event that precedes a price correction. $3 for XRP. What needed for the price to stabilize? Here is the chart that is still showing that there is a bearish trend in the market as well, and this price curve is currently stretched at $1.11, while XRP is trading slightly below the $2.30 level. And in the latest video that we discovered that the XRP price was at $3. XRP is still dropping, and there is a chances that the XRP price drop might 50%. XRP might start trading at $1.50 from its current price from $3. So it is worth noting that on the major time frames, things do not look so bad for the third largest cryptocurrency XRP. For example, on the daily time frame, the 200-day moving average for XRP is $1.66, as we can see from this graph, which is 26.27% below the current price. On the weekly chart, the price of XRP recently tested the 23-day moving average at around $2 and saw a big bounce of 18.84% up. On the other hand, the 2-day time frame is rather exotic and may need more study for the greater and the correct analysis. Will XRP price drop 50% or will XRP gain more percent? And Dogecoin, we can see Dogecoin price also soared 400% in the chain metric. What should we expect next? Dogecoin has achieved 400 plus percent gain in last 24 hours, approaching a 395,000. A movement of this scale is hard to ignore, especially when it happens over a short period. The numbers paint a clear picture. More people are interested with the Dogecoin, whether to transact, trade, or position themselves for something ahead. What we can see from the Dogecoin price graph, a spike of this magnitude does not happen in isolation. There are forces behind, like Elon Musk, the Tesla, Trump, and the other stocks effect on the Dogecoin. But the real question is, does this mean something bigger for the popular meme coin trajectory? Will Doge price follow spike? This time with nearly 395,000 active addresses in play, market participants are left interpreting the on-chain signal to try to predict the Dogecoin price's future. So we have discovered that the XRP is facing a crash of 50%. Price might crash while the Dogecoin is seeing a price up.